Alright mga sir, so dumating na yung order natin from Shopee. Unboxing tayo. Uh, let's see. By the way, while you're watching this, subscribe to my channel, Boy Kalikot Motovlog and DIY. I-like nyo na ang mga videos natin, subscribe nyo na, and likewise subscribe to my music channel, Acoustic and Beyond. Alright, there you go. Uy! Maganda! Merong free na Sony! Wow! Hindi ko na-expect ito. Medyo na-UP siya, pero I'm pretty sure hindi naman siguradong napakaganda yung quality. Pero at least, no, meron, di ba? Yung foam na ano, no. Pwedeng na-UP ng foam. Yun. So, extra bass. Sony MDR. It's not original, pero I wasn't expecting this. Totoo lang, hindi ko nakita sa picture ito na may kasama pala to. So, thank you so much, seller. So, ang kinuha natin ay V8 Soundcard. Kasi nga, nagbablog tayo, kailangan natin ng live Soundcard with all the cables and the sound card itself with some instructions. Napakaliit lang pala ang palad ko. Yan. Siguro this is like 7 by 6.5. Alright. So napanood ko sa ibang channel yung paano pagkabit ito. Anyway, self-explanatory. Live 1, live 2, accompaniment, instrument, charging, earphone, headset, mic, condenser, dynamic. So for sure, dito yung power, dito yung headset, earphone, condenser mic. I think may kasama condenser mic ito. At dito yung live sa cellphone or sa camera or sa laptop or sa computer. Alright, so tabi muna natin. Again, unboxing lang tayo kasi matataglan to kapag nag-unboxing tayo at saka nag-setup. So I will make it, a separate video para sa pag-setup nito. So yan, meron tayong Sony bass headset, meron tayong V8 live soundcard, and meron tayong live professional live broadcast equipment. So it delivers true professional performance with outstanding stability and easy operation. Nakabili na ako doon nung nakaraan ng mic stand na merong cellphone holder. Nakabili na rin ako ng ring light na may cellphone holder. Aside from from of course this is solely for vlogging, but aside from that, ang reason talaga nito is because gusto kong mag-live while helping others sa paangat program sa YouTube. And while doing that, I want to play live music. Magko-concert ako. Yan. Warranty. Yon. Filter. Maganda yung plastic. At saka parang hindi siya chipita Anyway, I bought this one for 800 plus shipping na nasa malapit sa 1,000. Yun, filter for spitting or wind or air. Of course, meron pa yung holder ng ating condenser mic. Tingnan nyo naman yung condenser mic natin. Mabigat siya. Akala ko parang super cheap. Pero medyo mabigat siya. Hopefully, it will work. And then we have, so I guess if you will use the foam, You wouldn't use this one. Kasi meron na, di ba? Parang hassle naman na nag-use ka na ng phone. Nag-use ka pa ng filter. Diba? So, dyan na lang muna yan. Check natin. Cables, of course. Oh! Tawag dito. Stereo na cable. So, pwede ito sa cellphone directly. Pwede dito sa laptop. Pwede dito sa computer. Clip para pwede siyang i-clip like dito. Clip siya dito. Ayan. For the, I think this is for the microphone. Yun, ito. Retractable na holder, which is very nice. Yan. So, for example, if ito, yung game dito, so, yun. Ang microphone mo, hindi mo siyang ilapit sa sarili mo. Pwede mo siyang ganito lang, pwedeng yan. Oh, hindi pala na ano to. Wala na. Ano ba ito? Paano ba siya na ano? Ba din pala ano? Yan. Yun. Hindi siya gumagalaw. So, bag. Gusto mo ganito lang. So, tighten this up. Yan lang siya. Impressive. So far, so good. Okay. So, ito yung ating set ng V8 Soundcard live equipment with live broadcast equipment, kasama yung condenser mic, cables, phone holder, filter, stand, V8 live Soundcard with free Sony. Okay, so again, subscribe to my channel, Boy Kalikat Motovlog, and likewise Acoustic and Beyond. Okay, so I will make a separate video para sa pag-set up ng lahat ng to. Alright, peace out.